This is a defined benefit pension. Hire was January 1st, 2009 at age 40. Salary in 2014 is $80,000, with 4% raises each January 1st. Retirement is January 1st, 2034 at age 65. Final 3-year average salary uses ages 62, 63, and 64. Official FAS is $162,148. The monthly defined benefit is $8,051, shown as $8,050 to the nearest 10. Replacement ratio is 12 times $8,051 over final year salary $168,548, which is 57.3%. Do not put FS in the denominator. The monthly due annuity at 65 uses the official D12 of 0.04869 and A6512 of 0.470. The factor is 10.885. Annualize the monthly benefit, then multiply by that annuity factor. Use 8,051, not the show figure of 8,050. Forgetting the times 12 is the common error. Twelve times 8,051 times 10.885 is 1,051,620. That is the official expected present value at exact age 65. The defined contribution plan must buy the missing 22.7% of final salary. That cost is $416,464, using the same monthly annuity as Part C. $20 contributions start January 1st, 2014, growing at 7% with 4% raises. The accumulated value coefficient is 4,789,500 times C. Equate the accumulated fund to 416,464. The official contribution rate is 8.70% of each year's salary.